Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add volume buttons on your navigation bar on any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to setting and enable navigation bar. Look at this, my navigation bar is enabled, and now go to Play Store and download GoodLock. After download GoodLock, simply open. Go to plugin and scroll. Find Navstar module. Simply update this module. After update, simply open Navstar and simply turn on Navstar, and look at these many preset navigation buttons on this module. Look at this. But for add volume buttons, simply go to new configuration. Go to new configuration. Go to button layout. Tap on add button. Scroll, add volume up and volume down. Now simply you also arrange these buttons like this. Tap on done. Now simply tap on save and simply scroll and select this configuration. Look at these volume buttons add on my navigation bar. Simply go back, close all, and look at these volume buttons perfectly working on my Galaxy device. So guys, you also add these volume buttons on navigation bar on your Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.